How to rotate photo on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the photo that you want from here, or you can upload a new one from here. I already have this one, so I'm gonna choose it. Now all what you have to do to rotate the photo is by going down here, click on crop option. Now click on rotate as you can see, and here you go. Now from here you can rotate your photo as you want. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.